Robert, we are the Olsen Law Group, and we can assist clients throughout the state of Florida and with their estate planning and to protect their life savings from the cost of a nursing home. And so we have different groups within Olsen Law Group, and my group really is estate planning. I help people to wills, trusts, helping them to avoid probate. And people want to avoid probate because it's expensive. And so we help them to avoid probate. And then once our group is done, then we turn them over to you, the Medicaid planning part, and that is really just to make sure that when the client passes away, yeah, they're going to avoid probate, but we want to make sure that their wealth is still there, not eaten up by the cost of a nursing home.
Exactly. I jokingly say that we're kind of the insurance to your estate plan. You know, clients work hard, you work hard to come up with their perfect plan of distribution. And then if they're not, by no fault of their own, they could have a medical event facing having to go to a nursing home and paying $10,000 or $12,000 a month. If they do that, they're not going to have an estate plan left. So with our Medicaid compliant tools, we can certainly protect their assets and distribute it the way you had planned in their estate planning.
So here's what we want our listeners to know, and that is this, is that when you hear these words from your neighbor, your friends, coworkers, family members, and they say something like this, oh, mama's going into a nursing home, that costs $10,000 to $12,000 a month. Everything that mom ever worked for and saved is going to all be up in smoke, paying for her own nursing home. Nothing we can do about it. Well, we want you to know right now and file away for when the day comes that you hear such a thing, that there are things that we can do about it, Robert.
Absolutely. And Tom, like the last couple of days, I've been talking to a client in Minnesota whose mom is here in a nursing home on Medicaid already. They thought everything was perfect. Mom's sister died and left her $250,000. And now they're worried that she's going to lose all her assets, that she's going to lose her benefits, have to spend all that $250,000 down. And I was glad to tell them, no, we can protect those assets through a personal services contract. Money just has to go into mom's account. We do the contract, give it to her son for her care, and that gets uploaded to update Medicaid. She saves her benefits and her assets get distributed to her children.
Robert, I love that. I'm just so thrilled that we can provide that kind of service for that client. But just curiosity, how did the client in Minnesota find out about Olsen Law Group in Florida?
I guess they did a little Googling.
Oh, I love it.